Alright everybody, this is my personal car. It's an 04 Cadillac CTS. It's regular CTS, not a V. And I let it sit for about a week, and my key wouldn't turn off, car wouldn't start, everything was just a general pain in the rear. Couldn't get it to do nothing. I let it sit for a week, then I tried to program it, and it just didn't work. So I'm saying up here, service security BS, I don't know. This is the quick and easy way to fix it. If the first thing coming out here, check your battery connections, because one of mine was loose and cross-threaded. So I replaced it with a couple of 3/8 horse thread bolts and nuts to make sure they were in all the way and good and tight. Car still wouldn't do nothing. Charged the battery all night. Car still wouldn't do nothing. Same shit. So if you got low battery voltage on your Cadillac and you want to start it without a lot of muss and fuss, just get your piece of primary wire. I think this is like 14 gauge. You see this big old purple wire right here next to my thumb? Look down in there and you can just barely touch that connector. Stick that wire in there and over to there with the ignition switch on, and your car will start. Now that the car is started, you see before I wasn't getting the illumination on here. Now that's back. Let's see. Info. Trip A, trip B, low range. What do you mean low range? Everything's back to normal. So just let your car run. Should be, you know, let it run for half an hour or so she warms up good. And yeah, that's how you fix it. And I am going to put that right there in case I ever need it again. And then I got to put this little guy back underneath the steering column, because that's the manual key release, which is why I think they have a spot for a pen in this car, because, and trust me, this thing's no fun to try to get in. But it goes right there in a steering column, and as you can see, mine's still crooked as hell. Well, maybe I'll get that in later, but that's the little hole it goes in. And like I said, they have a spot for a pen in this car, and a ballpoint pen will release the key in one of these every time. So, yeah. Second CTS I've had. This is the first 04. The one I had before was an 03 with a 3.2, and it was a piece of junk. But, yeah, I am a professional mechanic. I do this every day. If this was a customer's car, I don't think I would have tried that particular stunt. But it's mine, so I can get away with it. That, and I'm really, really tired of driving the shaggin' wagon over there. So, hope this helps. If y'all have any other questions, you know, leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. Alright, well, hopefully you don't have the same stupid problem I did, but that's how you fix it.